So let's talk about how much you can actually make doing this. So first off, this is a freelancer site, Fiverr. It's very popular. I'm sure you've heard of it before. I just searched Google Ads Manager here. Now I did notice on Fiverr, you don't make quite as much as some other sites, but I wanted to highlight this just as a potential option. So Google Ads Manager, we can see that there's prices ranging all over the board for varying services all across the board. And if we search Google My Business, this one is the same case. You don't see very high prices here, but there's something that I want to highlight because you can actually become a Fiverr Pro. I'll leave this link on how exactly to become a Fiverr Pro, but basically a Fiverr Pro is a verified professional on the Fiverr platform, and this gives you a tag and allows you to charge much more than all of these basic listings. You know, someone who's willing to just charge 10 bucks or something like that, that's not worth doing. So if we filter this by pro services, which you'd have to build up a little bit of a resume and then apply for the pro certification, you can see the prices jump up dramatically for what people are charging for these kinds of things. So again, this was Google Ads Manager. If we go to Google My Business and check pro services only, we can see prices jump up dramatically. Now the cheaper ones in this case, like 100 bucks, really is just like a cursory overview. And then some of these other ones, $250, some of them are up to $1,000. They could be larger products or reoccurring services. Now something that's very beneficial with the Google Ads especially is you can sell a monthly service. So many businesses, they're going to want you to keep an eye on their Google Ads on a consistent basis. So what that means is you can pick up multiple clients who are paying you something like $100 to $500 per month to manage their ads. And then you're just building up a customer base. And it doesn't take very many customers to earn thousands of dollars per month with that. So I mean, let's say you have 20 customers paying you $200 per month. That is $4,000 per month just to deal with 20 people and their Google Ads. And that's something that doesn't need a whole lot of tweaking. Basically, once it's set. You'll just make small tweaks if they change something in their marketing or something like that. So there's a ton of money to be made there with the reoccurring clients. That's something that I would personally really focus on if you're interested in this. Now, if we go to peopleperhour.com, this site I found. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.